So I've seen a lot of videos that tell you websites you can watch movies on or download movies on, but they do not tell you the problems you might encounter and how to deal with them. So in this video I'm going to show you where you should click, how you should click, the websites you should use, and everything you need to know. I'm going to show you the tips and tricks which you need. So the first thing you have to do is open your web browser. It doesn't matter which web browser you use. Oh, and I should say these websites work. It doesn't matter if it's on a phone or a laptop, which type of phone, which type of laptop, it doesn't matter, they work. So the three websites I use, it's Fzmovies, Fzmovies, and Myflixer. I use Fzmovies to download the movies. We'll start with Myflixer, then Fzmovies, and then Fzmovies. Let's get to it. I will leave the links down below. So the first one we're gonna check out is Myflixer. So the reason I love this website is that you can watch high quality movies, and it shows you like the trending movies, the new releases, everything, and it's pretty easy to use and does not have a lot of ads. But the thing about this website is just that it may buffer a lot if you are using a different server. So like if your internet is not fast, then you have to change the server. I'll show you which server you should choose. And you should be careful about the pop-ups that come. If you click on them, you might get redirected, and you should immediately close that new tab. Stay on this tab. When you click again, then it will go. So like let's check for example Mulan. If I were to watch Mulan, you see I got redirected, I close that tab. That's what happens with these websites. You have to keep on closing the tabs. So like Mulan, then it will be fine, you can watch it. But then if you do not change the server and your internet connection is slow, you are going to get a lot of buffering. So I changed the server to Hydrex, which is it has the lower quality, but then it does not buffer a lot. So let's check it out. So you can see down here we have a couple of servers, which is VidCloud and VidCloud Hydrex. So the server which offers you low quality but does not buffer a lot. The quality is not bad, but it's just not as good as the other two. It is great quality HD, but not as good as the other two. So if I switch it to Hydrex, you can see that the movie will immediately start because it loads faster and does not need a lot of data. And my internet connection isn't that fast, so I always use this one. You see it says already loaded and you can already start watching. Got redirected, close the tabs. Make sure you close the tabs whenever you get redirected. Play, close the tab again. Make sure you do that. These pop-ups go away once you start watching you see a ad, you have to close it, close everything. But when you start watching the movie, the ads stop appearing, which is a great thing. So after it loads at first, then after that it does not load again if you are using the Hydrex and your internet connection is stable. So if you are in full screen watching the movie, it's fine. You see the movie has already begun. If you go to full screen, and you must make sure that you avoid using your mouse whenever you click somewhere. It will almost every time redirect you, so you should avoid by all means using your mouse. You see I got redirected again, so because I clicked. So you should use your keyboard more often. So like if you go to the full screen, then it's fine, you can start watching your whole movie. Yeah, the website is great, and it has a few tabs compared to a few ads compared to the other ones. Website we're gonna check out is Fzmovies. I have the link down below. So the thing about this website is that it has some ads and some bad ads. Sometimes you might not get them, but sometimes it has some bad ads. So yeah, it might not be child friendly. So the first time you try to click on the search, you will get redirected. Immediately close that. Then you can search for the movie or TV series you want. Let's take for example Mulan again. So like if you enter, you can see the list of movies. Then like you choose which movie you want to watch. Check Mulan out. Get redirected. Make sure you close these tabs. That's what the they do not tell you. Like, you might get lost, you get redirected, you do not know what to do. You should close the tabs. So if I click it, you can see it starts loading, and it has some bad ads. You give it a second to load. Yeah, it keeps on loading. If it does not buffer a lot, after you start watching your video, the chances of it buffering is quite slim, and it's a really good website. You see, click on play, then let it load for a bit. If you go to the full screen, then like, yeah, you stop getting ads. You should close this. You might get redirected if you try to close it like this. Then close the page again, dismiss this, then go to full screen. Use your keyboard, press F for full screen, press the space bar to stop. Avoid using your mouse, because whenever you use your mouse, it redirects you to a page. As you can see, the movie is already playing, no buffering, great quality. Which, it's a good website, but I do not like the ads they show. The ads are not that much, but they are not like good ads, like bad ads. So you should be careful of that. Fzmovies is the one you can download high quality movies, but it's a bit tricky because there are a lot of places you have to click and stuff. As you can see, this is strictly for movies. So if you want to check out TV shows or series, you have to come here. Let me zoom in a bit. It's written mobile TV shows. That's where you click. Let me click it. You see, if you click it, then it changes to mobile TV shows. That's where you click. For example, if you wanted a series like Blood and Water, maybe you could you search it, hit enter, it loads up. You see, it does not redirect you that much. Then you can immediately see the series. You see, when they send this message, you just have to click on it. Don't get worried. If you click on it, get back to this. Then you have to click on the blue thingy on the name. So as you can see, it shows you the latest release episode. So if it had more seasons, there will be a list of seasons here. So let me go to season 1. When you are checking out the TV shows, like, it's straightforward. There is nothing complicated. You just choose which quality you want to watch or download. If I click this, then it loads up. Then you choose you want to download or you want to watch it online. So if you wanted to download it, you just click on download. It's quite easy with the series. Then it shows you some links. You can use any one of these. I usually use download link 2. The problem starts when you want to watch movies. So let's check out the movie. Let's go to the movies one. So if I go to the movies, let's check out this movie. Okay, let's just go for the Old Guard. If I hit enter on the Old Guard, go down, you have to scroll down. You can see the movies there. Then if you click on it, you see it starts redirecting you. With the series it's easier, but with the movie it's a bit complicated. And they have some ads down here, but they're not that bad. So if you have to click it on it again, it loads, then you go down. You usually have to wait until it finishes loading and it stops circling around. You have to scroll down. Here you'll have to choose a format. Like, do not choose the 3GP one, always choose the high MP3. Then I usually wait for it to finish loading, because it takes a bit slower. You see, once it's done, then you can click on the link. Then you close any tabs that reopen. If you click on it, scroll down. You always have to scroll down. Then you choose if you want to download the movie or you want to stream. If you want to stream, just click on stream. It's straightforward. Downloading, then you have to click on download. It redirects you. Close the tab. This time it will show you an ad when it's your first time opening the web page. So close the skip ad, close the tab, skip ad, close the tab. Then if you want to download it, go to download. If it redirects you, always make sure that you close this. So wait for it to load a bit, then you have to scroll down. It will show you some links again as the series, but I usually use the download link for. Check this. If I pick the download link for, it starts loading, takes you to this page. You do nothing, just wait for a few seconds and your download will begin. So wait for it. You'll see it down below when it starts. Wait, just wait a few seconds. As you can see, the download has already begun. I'm not gonna download this movie because I already have it. You see, it's quite the whole movie, you can download it, great quality. It's not a bad thing. So maybe if you wanted to stream the movie, let's go back a bit. So if you wanted to stream the movie, let's get back to this page. You can click on stream the movie. It does not buffer, like it will load at first, and after it loads, of all the websites, this one is the best. After it loads, the chance of it buffering is really slim. Keep on trying to click. Like, this is what happens, guys. If nobody shows you this, then you won't know what to do, where to click. So you have to keep on trying. I'm clicking. Finally it opens. Close the redirected tab, wait for it to load up a bit. Then you just go down. You have to keep on scrolling down. That's what you should know. Scroll down, wait for it a sec, scroll down. As you can see, it's loading my movie. It shows how big the movie is and everything. Some few ads here, but nothing big. So after it loads, it takes quite a while to load it up, but after it loads, it does not buffer again. Like, it does not buffer again. You can watch the whole movie without a problem. Check this. If I hit play, get redirected, guys, this is the situation. You want to watch for free, you'll get a lot of redirections. So if you click play, keep on trying. I'm clicking, keep on trying. Finally it starts playing. Go to full screen, close any redirected tabs, go to the full screen. Try to use your keyboard by all means. Wait for it to load, but after it loads, I promise you, this website, it does not buffer that much compared to the other two. The other two don't buffer. If you have a good internet connection, you have no problem. Like, you have no problem, you're sorted. You can watch the movie, any movie you want. Like, for example, with Myflixer, any movie that's released, the next day you can already watch it. Any TV series, anything. This one too, although with Fzmovies you do not find every movie like the older movies, but almost all the new movies are on here, and with GoMovies. So thank you so much for watching the video. I don't know why it's loading this long. It usually does not do this, but if the video was helpful, please leave a like, comment down below if you have any other question. The links are down in the description, and please subscribe to my channel. Oh, finally it starts. So after this, like, as you can see, like, it will never buffer again. Like, seriously, won't buffer again. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.